sing, laugh, and learn the Peachy way.
On a sunny day, a little dog walked home, step by step, clip, clop, clip, clop. In his mouth, a yummy bone, big white bone, crunchy bone. He walked and walked, tail up high, happy dog, happy sigh. Clip, clop, clip, clop, clip, clop. Over the bridge he went, wooden bridge over the river. Down in the water, what did he see? Another dog looking at me. That dog had a bone, a big white bone, bigger than mine, bigger bone. My bone is big, said the little dog, but that bone is big. He stopped and stared, he stared and stopped, bone in mouth, eyes wide open. If I take that bone, I'll have two big bones for me and you. Open mouth. Oof, oof. Splash. Open mouth. Oof, oof. Splash. Oof, oof. Plop, 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 down in the river, gone. The other dog, gone too. No more bone, no more two. The little dog stood, sad little face. No bone now, empty space. Clip, clop, clip, clop, back he went. Small, slow steps, head bent low. Be happy with yours, don't grab for more or splash. It's gone.